welcome back to another video or another unboxing on my channel. You know me already. I just have to buy stuff, and only thing I think I was really missing was a better amp, because I do have the two Emotivas right there. So I said, let me just get rid of that because it's 80 watts per channel, and those two amps right now are running my two surround backs and my Atmos. So what's running my five speakers, my 5 floor speakers, or the OSD A5500, which is 150 watts. So I went ahead and got this XPA-7 Gen 3 to run all my bed speakers, all my 7 channels, and move the A5500 to my Atmos. So it's kind of overkill for an Atmos to have 150 watts, but hey, 150 is better than 80, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and open this thing. It is a little over $2,000 for it. It's a 7 channel, 200 watts each channel, and 450 watts for 2 channels. And like I said, this is gonna be running my 7 speakers that are on the floor. One day I gotta do an unboxing for you guys. So I'm not unboxing, sorry. Do a tour for you guys, so you guys can see everything I have. But anyway, comes double boxed, which is a pain for me. And now on top of it, this thing weighs about 60 pounds, 50 something, 50, around 60. Just round it to 60. Oh, Lord, I can already tell already it's gonna give me trouble. First, it comes with obviously a birth certificate of who assembled it, who tested it, and who packaged it. Big shout outs to you guys. I'm checking on the camera. Come with a labeling, focus, a labeling for your whichever terminal you want to do. These are the people who made it. Big old styrofoam on top of it. Get it out. Alright. I'm gonna take this thing out. Matter of fact, let me show you before I take this thing out, because I know this is gonna be hell. Let me just show you what it comes in this little box, which is basically a power cord and the trigger. Power cord and trigger. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video and come back. So here's the amp. It comes in the Emotiva cloth that all their amps come, all their recent amps for sure, I know come in this kind of cloth material. It has tape on the bottom. And believe it or not, this is actually lighter than the A5500. I don't know why, but it is. It's more powerful and stuff. They're both Class H amplifiers, but this one, they both switch between A and B. So I don't know, this one is lighter than the other amp, even though this is bigger. And I'm a big guy, so look how big this thing is. I have big hands, and look how big this thing is. I don't know if it can even fit. I think it should though. But this is the front, which is the Emotiva single button. It is 7 channels. if you guys can see it. There's 7 channels down there. Turn it around. And that is the terminals. They're all 200 watts each. These if you want to select XLRs or RCA. Trigger in and out to turn off the LEDs in the front, and the main switch, and some brolic speaker terminals. So I'm pooped right now, just got in from work to shoot this video real quick, and I'll let you guys know how it is, but obviously it's gonna be good. Anyway, peace. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sorry, it's a real quick video, I'm sorry, but I gotta go. All right, peace.